Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great, and welcome to a highly requested video on Curve, or the CRV token, which I have analyzed before in some of my live streams, I believe. But I have never, I've like the last time I made a video on this is ages ago. So I just wanted to quickly give you my thoughts on the current price and what to expect from here. All right, so that's what we'll do. We will not only focus on the technicals. That's not something you can do, all right? There's a lot of fundamentals which you have to acknowledge and also take into account. So I'll try my best at that, but I do want to start off with an honest disclaimer, and that is that, analyzing cryptos like these, where an exploit has happened, and when there's, quite a lot of controversial things about the founder and taking out loans against its own token and stuff, or with its own token as collateral and stuff, it's risky business. A lot can happen, and if all of a sudden big holders have to sell their CRV off, you can get huge bearish moves. And what we've also seen is that there were actually market makers holding the price up. So where the price would have actually have fallen lower, technically, they've actually held it up, and they can at any point of time delete that price floor, and price will just stumble back down. So there's a lot that can happen, and just wanted to place a disclaimer on that. I'll try my best, but it's difficult. All right, so that's before we dive into CRV. Technically, I do want to mention as well that I have my own premium trading group, which if you're interested in that, interested in receiving my trading setups, receiving access to an exclusive group of traders, and just in general become a better and more profitable trader, check out the links down in the description or the pinned comments, or go to cilinix.com. But now onto CRV. So what we're seeing is that if we actually take a look at the volume, is that the volume is rapidly dropping down, all right? And you need some sort of volume, I would say, to keep the price up. Like for example here, where we actually got that recovery from that 50 cents area, what happened is that the price rose up to $450 million, which are levels we haven't seen for a very, very long time. So that happened, and that held us up, which is good, but that is dropping down now. And what we're also seeing is that our main support level at this point in time, which is this level right here at around 55 cents, I would say, and a little bit above there, it's getting tested. 28 EMA is respected, which is bearish confirmation. So altogether, we look very, very bearish. And technically, the only conclusion I can make is that we'll actually continue this bearish momentum. At some point of time, break down below 55 cents. I do expect 55 cents to hold for now. And given the manipulation and given what we've seen in the past, we could even still get up to like 64 cents. It's a possibility. It's not what I expect though, but it's a possibility. But the most likely scenario, given the current situation for Curve, both their platform but also the token, is, and this is technically, it's also respected, I think personally, I think it's most likely that we'll drop down to 55 cents, find some support there, but eventually drop down below that level, down towards 50 cents, I would say. All right, if we go back into the past, what you'll see is that there's basically this area between 53 cents and like 48 cents. I think 50 cents is a good estimate for the price right now. But if anything happens with those loans that the founder took out, we can fall down hard, and like 40 cents is also a possibility. So I do want to warn you for that, technically. But for now, something like this, purely technically, and also taking into account the fundamentals, a drop like this down to 55 cents, and then after that a bearish breakout down to 50/48 cents is in my eyes the most likely scenario. So that's my take, that's my analysis for now. If you do have any questions, let me know. But for now, thank you for watching, take care, and bye.